Steps to Create a WISP Using ChatGPT, Episode 2. In this session, we'll learn how to create a Written Information Security Plan, WISP, step by step using ChatGPT. In Episode 1, we covered what a WISP is and why it's important, so we assume you already know the purpose and legal necessity of having a WISP. Now we'll focus on using artificial intelligence tools to actually develop your firm's WISP. The tone will be friendly and conversational, but we'll make sure each step is clearly linked to authoritative guidance so you know it meets compliance standards. Before diving in, remember that a WISP is required by law for accounting and tax firms of any size under the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act's Safeguards Rule. Even a one-person CPA practice needs a WISP, though the plan can be scaled to the firm's size and complexity. The IRS's Publication 5708, the WISP Template Guide, emphasizes that you should include all required elements, but tailor the plan's depth to your business. So whether you're a sole proprietor or a 50-employee firm, these prompts will help you produce a compliant WISP that fits your needs. Let's get started. Understanding AI and ChatGPT. First, a brief overview of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT, explained in non-technical terms. As we stated previously, using ChatGPT is as easy as typing to an assistant on a messaging app. Except that the purpose of the exchange isn't conversational banter, it is to instruct the assistant to perform a task. The more specific your instructions are, the better your assistant performs the task. A prompt, for the purposes of this course, is an instruction. However, the word prompt is somewhat misleading because it implies that your instruction consists of a few words or a couple of short sentences. In fact, as you'll see, the prompts required to get the best results from ChatGPT are comprehensive, structured, and detailed. The prompts provided in this course consist of the following statements. First, we instruct ChatGPT to assume the role of a person in a field or profession, such as an architect, lawyer, or accountant. It's best to be more specific, such as a landscape architect specializing in urban design, a corporate tax attorney specializing in estate planning, or, what about a CPA experienced in cybersecurity? Here are 5 reasons for including a role assumption statement in your prompt. 1. Contextual framing improves relevance. When you specify a role, such as, assume the role of a cybersecurity consultant,